Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, if you don't have anyone with whom you can do a speaking practice, or you don't want to practice lack of confidence with anybody, so in both cases how you can do a speaking practice alone at your home in interesting way. In this video I am going to share with you some interesting way tips to practice your English alone at home. And not only you will learn, you will improve, but also you will become confident and start speaking with someone else in English. So without further ado, let's start the video. So my dear friend, I'm pretty much curious to tell you about these tips. So, first tips I want to tell you, record yourself. I know recording method, but here I will share with you some 2 3 way how you should record yourself interesting way, so that you will also not feel bored, you will feel interesting while recording and practicing. So what you have to do, you have to turn on your camera. आपको अपना कैमरा को टर्न ऑन करना है, और जो भी वट एवर यू लर्न बाय लिसनिंग, बाय रीडिंग, बाय watching, you have to explain, you have to assume yourself that you are explaining, you are making understand someone. ये आपको खुद एज्यूम करना है कि आप जो भी पढ़े हैं, सीखे हैं, आप किसी को समझा रहे हैं। ऐसे करके जो है एक वीडियो बनाना है, ठीक, और खुद को रिकॉर्ड करना है। तो एक तो ये मेथड है प्रैक्टिस करने का। सेकेंड, यू कैन डू कमेंट्री, ओके, commentary of your daily routine. Whatever you do every day, you have to speak very fast way, loudly and fast way. I get up early morning, I brush my teeth in this way fastly, and you have to record that one. Okay, so this is the second way to do practicing in recording way. Third, you have to do blogging. You have to assume yourself as a blogger. खुद को ब्लॉगर मानिए, और कहीं पे भी जाइए, छत पे जाइए, फार्म में जाइए, वेर एवर यू गेट चांस, गो and do blogging kind of recording. That, hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can see behind me there are lot of tree. In this way you have to do practice and record yourself. So if you do practice in this way and record yourself, so you can improve, become confident, as well as you can find your mistake after recording. Okay, so this is the first method you have to apply for speaking practice alone at home. Second, I'm going to tell you, and this is very effective method to practice alone at home. And what you have to do in second, you have to do mirror practice. Yes, you hear me right, you have to do mirror practice. See my dear friend, I was not doing mirror practice. I was thinking that what is the need to do mirror practice, क्या ज़रूरत है. I do recording, I record video, upload on the YouTube, also I do practice with a lot of people. तो क्या ज़रूरत है mirror practice करने का. So but recently I got to know benefit of mirror practice. So now I have also started doing mirror practice. And what are the benefit if you do? So you will get, see, so if you want to become confident speaker, you must do mirror practice. Why? See, when you do mirror practice, you can see yourself, your hand movement, your face expression, how you are speaking, you are confident or not while speaking. All things you can see in the mirror, and if you see, then you can improve yourself, that you are speaking in under confident way or while confidently you are speaking. So these kinds of things you can improve and become confident if you do mirror practice. Also you can tell your story, that whatever you want to become, you have to assume, खुद को assume करना है कि आप वही पर्सन हो जो आप बनना चाहते हो, और आप किसी को अपना कहानी सुना रहे हो। सो मिरर के सामने ऐसा जो है प्रैक्टिस करिए और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाइए अपने प्रैक्टिस को। सो दिस इज़ द सेकेंड वे। थर्ड आई विल टेल यू, एंड दिस वन इज़ रियली इफेक्टिव, आई do it since long. So what you have to do in third, you have to do storytelling. Yes, you have to do storytelling, and this is also effective way to practice your English alone at home and improve and learn English. So what you have to do, you have to go on the YouTube and word of wisdom channel you have to search, where you will get a lot of 5-6 minute स्टोरी वीडियो, और वो आपको वॉच करना है। वॉच करने के बाद इन योर ओन वर्ड आपको खुद के वे में उस स्टोरी को एक्सप्लेन करना है, नरेट करना है। ओके, सो इफ़ यू डू दिस you will see you are learning more vocabs, more sentences, as well as you are improving in explaining the things. हम जो है ना एक्सप्लेन करने में जो है फंसते हैं, हेजिटेट करते हैं, कुछ भी एक्सप्लेन करना होता है वहाँ पे अटक जाते हैं। तो जब आप स्टोरी एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, नरेट करेंगे, आप उसमें जो है बेटर होते जाएंगे, एक्सप्लेनेशन में आप बेटर होते जाएंगे। सो मस्ट डू स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड नरेट आफ्टर दैट। सो दिस इज़ द थर्ड। एंड फोर्थ, this is also effective way to improve your English, your pronunciation, intonation, vocab, sentences, and that is shadowing, imitation practice. Whenever you are watching something, so not for half an hour and 1 hour, only for 2 minutes or 5 minutes, you have to do this. Whenever you are watching something, pause and imitate that line. So if you do this, you will improve your vocab, sentences, intonation, pronunciation, and also you will speak clearly. So must do it. If you want to become confident and good in English speaking, then must you should do it. So this is the fourth, I think. Fifth, you should do speaking with yourself. Whenever you are doing something, that time you have to do speaking with yourself. Okay, whatever you are doing, whatever you are performing at your home, any work, study, any kind of things, tell in English. Okay, speak in English with yourself, like fastly, slowly, anyway, but tell I am reading, I am studying, I am playing, I am cooking, in this way. Just tell it in English, so it will also make you confident and speak clearly and not to hesitate. 6, I will tell you to do reading loudly. Yes, my dear friend, you must do reading loudly if you want to speak confidently, clearly, and without hesitating. Then must do reading and commentary type of speaking. Must do little bit speedily. Then you will also remove your hesitation. So these all are the effective way to do speaking practice alone at your home, and not only you can improve, learn, but also you can become fluent in English. So must do it. And personally, I do it. I record video, upload on the YouTube. I do storytelling with my friends. Also I do mirror practice. Recently I started, but I am doing. So doing also I do. So all things I'm telling you which I do, and really these are effective. So you also must do if you want to become confident and speak confidently. And I will tell you personally, I will highly recommend those who has partner, they should, or who has not, they should, both, जिनके पास पार्टनर है, जिनके पास नहीं है, both learner should practice this effective way to do practice alone at home. See, in case of me, I have partner, but even I do, because if you do, you will get other benefit. It will make you confident. So only speaking English is not important. Speaking English confidently, that is more important. See, I'm telling you one line which I read in my book recently. Who loses wealth lose much. Who lose friend lose more. But who lose करेज लूज एवरीथिंग। जो धन गंवाते हैं, खो देते हैं, वो बहुत कुछ गंवा देते हैं। बट जो फ्रेंड गंवाते हैं, सच्चा मित्र गंवाते हैं, वो भी बहुत कुछ गंवा देते हैं। बट जो साहस, विश्वास खो देते हैं, वो सब कुछ खो देते हैं। और जो व्यक्ति अपना विश्वास खो देता है, कॉन्फिडेंट खो देता है, वही सोचता है कि नाउ इस in this world nobody is here for me, I should commit suicide. But who has confidence and courage? That person, after losing wealth, relation, fame, name, again he make, वो बना लेता है फिर से। किसके दम पे? कॉन्फिडेंट और आत्मविश्वास के दम पे। सो वी ऑल्सो ट्राई टू नॉट ओनली स्पीक इंग्लिश बट ऑल्सो स्पीक इंग्लिश कॉन्फिडेंटली। एंड हाउ वी कैन build confident by doing this practice alone at home, it will make us confident. तो एक तो हमें कॉन्फिडेंट खोना नहीं है, और पॉसिबल हो सके तो खुद को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट बनाना है ऐसी ऐसी टेक्निक को यूज करके। सो नाउ आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड एंड यू मस्ट फॉलो एंड अप्लाई to make yourself confident and speak English confidently. If you, then please like, share and subscribe this video so that so many people learn more and more and become confident. So bye bye, we will meet in next video.